you asked me why did I join uMkhonto weSizwe. Ubaba uZuma, the president of uMkhonto weSizwe, there was litigation, and the court decided that he is not qualified, is not eligible to go back to parliament. He told me on more than one occasion that he approached quite a few people, but he realized that he needed someone who was strong, and he looked at my background. And at that time, I had just been impeached, right? So when President Zuma could no longer go back to parliament, he had to find someone to lead the party. He searched up and down, high and low, and there I was available. He approached me. Remember, I could never go to the Democratic Alliance. I couldn't go to the ANC, and also I could not go to the PAC, right? I was almost tempted to join, to be frank with you, the EFF, but when President Zuma approached me and asked me to lead the MK party, it's an offer I could not refuse. And also now let us unpack the policies of the MK party. The MK party, like me, I started writing on the issue of expropriation of land without compensation in 1989, before I was a judge. That's published work in law journals. So the issue of land, I'm not a Johnny come late to the issue of land, the debate about land. I am firm in my views that the land belongs to the Africans. It belongs to us. We all know the land was stolen from us. It was taken from us at gunpoint. So MK party's policies are very close to my heart. Also the issue of Africanizing the law and all the institutions that represents colonialism, liberalism, and apartheid, because it's not about just decolonizing the law, it is about the institutions as well.